got them ready to go, but I had to change the plan.
Oh, shit. Okay, you're right below it.
Shit, I lost it.
Right below. There. Whoa, that was close. That's a bit aggressive there, Fredo. Oh no! Whoa!
Got me nervous.
Yeah, so you got about a 40 SC in it. Oops, blinded.
Flying good though.
Just let it glide. You're way too angles to it. There we go.
Remember the sign.
50%.
Oops, son.
Yeah.
Time
Without the
remaining
sun,
2
they couldn't
minutes.
fly.
50%.
She is kind of nose heavy.
Any slower.
25%. 50%.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to land.
50%. Gear down.
Hurry, we're on last.
Hurry up.
Let's not do. You gotta move, Jay. I gotta land.
30 seconds. 25%.
Oh,
0. 50%.
Way off.
20 seconds.
Yeah, I almost started. Oh,
0. 25%. 0.
Set it to 0 feet at the ground here. Mine doesn't.
yeah.
Mine is just always mean sea level.
Oh, that looks familiar.
Yeah, it does.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Key limit disengaged. 50%. 50%.
Flat come out of that one. Supposed to fall too.
It's
still down.
50%. Landing flaps. 30 seconds. 0. 25 0. 25 0. 25%. 50%. Gear up.
Now both of them are closing. Nice.
Hang out right to left.
Key limit disengaged. Seconds.
How could you crash him on the fucking runway?
Gear up. 50%.
cut the air better than ever. I'm clear.
3,
7, 6, 5, 0. Gear down. Gear up.
I would have thought mine would be faster since we had the same motor, but I could be wrong.
50%. G-limit disengaged. Landing flaps. 25%. 30 seconds. 0. Gear up. 50%.
Don't make me stall out now, Fred.
50%.
A little close.
A little.
Gear down. 30 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 0. Zero.